Hello, Sabaidi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make my dipping sauce. Here are the ingredients: crushed chili flakes, crushed roast rice, sugar, fish sauce, a pinch of MSG, fermented fish sauce, and slice of shallots. If you don't have shallots, you could always use the fresh garlic. Just slice it up and top it off with it. Okay, let's get started on mixing the sauce up. First, you want to add in the 3 tablespoons of sugar, your pinch of MSG, 3 tablespoons of crushed roast rice, and 2.5 tablespoons of fermented fish sauce. Also 2.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, and chili flakes, just like that one. You could also add in fresh chop off chilies too, if you have some. Right here, it seems like a tablespoon. But if you want it more spicier, of course, you could always add more. And just mix all that up really, really good. Remember, you could alter this to your taste. If you want it a little bit more sweeter, just go ahead and add more sugar. If you like this video so far, please hit like and subscribe. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And you know, this dipping sauce is not meant for just sour mango. You could dip in your sweet mango, your, pickles, your strawberries, anything. Anything you want to dip in this sauce, it tastes really good with it. Look at that yumminess. Even apples. Oh, even better, if you guys have sour cranberries that they sell at the store around Thanksgiving time, yeah, I would just wash that up and throw it in there. Thank you so much for watching.